So George Odor, you've been charged with 1 count. On the trades, you've been charged by dangerously overtaking contrary to Rule 73.4 as read with Rule 99 of the Traffic Rules Cap 403 Laws of Kenya. That on 9th day of October 2025 at about 14:40 hours along on the Top Road within Nairobi County, being the driver of motor vehicle registration number KBN 546S, make Toyota Prado, dangerously overtook a flow of motor vehicle. True or false? Well, facts as they appear in the charge sheet, guilty, but given that he has already, but the same has not been processed or acquired from the person who recorded it. But the facts appear directly as they appear on the charge sheet, and given that he has admitted to the offense,